Welcome to one of the most massive coal mining operations you'll ever witness. Today we take you deep inside the mining site where raw power and heavy machinery come together. Watch as the Caterpillar 374D Excavator, a beast of engineering, works tirelessly to load up giant Mercedes and MAN trucks with tons of coal. This is the kind of operation that fuels industries and keeps the world moving. The Caterpillar 374D Excavator is known for its unmatched durability and can move huge amounts of material in just minutes. Each truckload carried by Mercedes-Benz and MAN dump trucks weighs several tons, highlighting the strength of both machine and operator. Coal mining remains one of the largest sources of global energy, and operations like this showcase the scale of effort required. Every scoop of coal adds to the enormous output of this site, proving why heavy equipment is the backbone of mining industries. Safety, precision, and teamwork are crucial here. Machines may do the heavy lifting, but skilled operators make the real difference. You've just seen the Caterpillar 374D Excavator in action, dominating the coal mining field and powering up Mercedes and MAN trucks with relentless efficiency. Massive machines, massive loads, and massive operations. This is the real world of mining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible heavy equipment action.